Ay, Johnny.
Sink or swim has the objective to establish the effect of being immersed in a liquid on the weight of an object. We have some procedures to be followed. First, measure the length of the rubber band using one end of the rubber band inside the candle. Suspend the candle and measure the length of the rubber band.
Yes.
Binubol na po yung... Suspend the candle at the water level in the jar while hanging from the fourth indicators. Get the difference between the length of the rubber band before the candle is hung and when the angel is hung in the air. This represents the weight of an object. Actually. Now, measure the length of the rubber band. Get the difference of the rubber band while hung in air and also while in candle is hung on water level.
Magsalita ka.